In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to charge the battery on your GoPro Hero 13 Black.
What you want to do is pull down the door handle or the door right there. You'll click it open, and as you can see right there, there's a USB-C port. And what you want to do is take your charging cable that come with your GoPro, and if you don't have one of these, then any USB-C cable will work. A USB-C looks like that, and then on the other side it's got a USB. So what you want to do is you have to find one of these. This is just from an old iPhone, but any of these little bricks will work, and then you'll just put it in there like that. This end will go on the wall, of course, and then on this side here, you'll click that in there, and then you charge it to the wall, and that's how you'll plug this into the wall, and that's how you charge your GoPro Hero. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.